Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt that tiny wobble in your knees? Or grabbed the railing on the stairs because you weren't sure your legs would fully support you? For years, I assumed that was just normal aging, something everyone over 50 had to accept. But everything changed the moment I started doing the one exercise I used to avoid the most lunges. Yes, the same move many of us remember as the dreaded gym class torture. But what shocked me was how powerful this simple movement became, not just for my legs, but for how I walk, how steady I feel, and how confident I am in my body as I age. And here's the twist. I didn't push hard or go extreme. I did it slowly, gently, and consistently. The results were worth every second today. I'm sharing exactly what happens when you do lunges every day, especially if you're 50 or older. This isn't just another fitness tip. This might be the shift that brings strength and balance back into your daily life. Before we jump in, let us know your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We love hearing from you. Let's start with the first change. You'll notice benefit 1. Real-world leg strength, not gym strength. Most of us don't care about looking fit. What we truly want is simple: to get up from the floor without help, to carry groceries without wobbling, to stand in the kitchen and cook without our knees aching for a break. That's exactly the kind of strength lunges build, the kind that actually matters. After age 50, we lose 1–2% of muscle every year, especially in the legs. It's called sarcopenia, and it is sneaky. Lunges help fight that. They strengthen your quads, glutes, hips, everything you rely on just to live comfortably. And you don't need 30 reps, even 5 to 10 lunges per leg. Per Dalton Y can make everyday movement easier within weeks. Think of it less as a workout and more as a daily act of taking your strength back. But that's just the beginning. Benefit 2, balance that protects you from dangerous falls. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tripped over nothing or reached for something overhead and felt your body hesitate? That moment of, oh no, is incredibly common. And it's not just aging. It's under-trained stabilizing muscles. Lunges fix this in a unique way. Unlike sitting or walking, lunges challenge your balance with every rep. 1 foot forward, 1 back, your weight shifting. Your brain, core, knees, ankles, even your toes must work together to keep you steady. This isn't just muscle training, it's brain-body training, and that's why people feel more stable in as little as 2 weeks. Balance is freedom. When you trust your body, you move more, live more, and fear less, and lunges help you get there. Now, let's talk about something most people never connect to lunges: feeling younger. Benefit 3, mobility that makes your body feel 10 years younger. Mobility is something you don't think about until suddenly you can't move the way you used to. Kneeling feels stiff. Getting in and out of the car becomes awkward. Bending to pick up something takes effort. Lunges quietly reverse that. They open tight hips, activate glutes, stretch stiff muscles, and retrain your body to move smoothly again. It's not about flexibility. It's about ease, about feeling fluid instead of stiff, about moving confidently instead of cautiously. Within days or weeks, everyday tasks feel less stressful and more natural. But here's a benefit most people never expect. Benefit 4, a boosted metabolism and more daily energy. After 50, metabolism slows down, energy dips, fat sticks around longer. But here's the exciting part. Your metabolism is strongly affected by how much muscle you use. Lunges activate the biggest muscles in your body, your legs and glutes, which burn more energy than almost any other muscle group. More muscle engagement means better calorie burn, steadier blood sugar, less sluggishness, and more energy throughout the day. You feel more awake, more capable, more like you again. And now, the important part: how to do lunges safely, especially if you're over 52. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward gently, lower your back knee toward the floor, and keep your front knee above your ankle. Use a wall or chair for support if needed. Even partial lunges count. Start with 5 reps per leg and build up slowly. Form matters more than depth or speed. If you have severe knee pain, recent surgery, or major balance issues, begin with supported variations or chair-based movements until you're stronger. Fitness should always meet you where you are. Final thoughts: small steps build a stronger future. Lunges aren't just a fitness move, they're a message. A reminder that your strength, balance, and independence still matter. I didn't start lunges to look better. I started because I was tired of feeling limited, tired of wondering whether I could trust my body. And what I discovered changed everything.